This 2020 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 273 BHSCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, external shower, smoke detector, stove-top burner, DVD player, oven, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, water heater, LP detector, TV, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 273 BHSCK is 6,379 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.